like half, almost half of what we have here in Ghana. But we told that some of these people that had it, the latest 12, had it from, they are hotel workers. Give us a bit more on that.
So the latest report, we have 12 additional cases today, bringing the total to 246 cases. And five of them were hotel workers, which is really concerning because, as you know, the situation in Kenya is not like Ghana or like in Nigeria where we have a total lockdown. We have a cessation. So what we have is that people can't come into the city, and we also have a curfew, which is a dusk to dawn curfew. That means from 7 p.m., no one is allowed to get out of their house until 5 in the morning. So, I mean, business is going on as usual, so that is a big concern. If the hotel workers have it, and most probably they came into contact with people who were just coming in and getting out, then I guess the government will have to reconsider their position, because the country, many of the Kenyans have been asking for a lockdown. I guess there was that excitement, but the government has put into consideration that we as a country can be able to afford a lockdown, especially in the city, because most of us, or most Kenyans, live from hand to mouth and live on less than $1 a day or $2 a day. So it's impossible for Kenyans having a total lockdown. So I guess that puts the government in an awkward position on what else to do so that they can stop and prevent the spread of the virus.
Now, with 246 cases, Kenya is on the total lockdown with a curfew. I mean, here in Ghana, we have over 400 cases, but we're not in a total lockdown, not a complete, not all the regions are in lockdown. How is the police or the army, whoever is enforcing the lockdown, able to deal with the situation? Have there been any excesses? Because there are reports of that in Nigeria. Here in Ghana, we've had our own excesses. In Kenya, is that the situation?
So in Kenya right now, when we started off the curfew, that is our small lockdown, there was excesses, and even when people went on social media, and there was a big uproar on social media. So the policemen, actually there are several policemen who've been indicted because of those excesses, and so that has helped reduce the numbers. Although we still have, currently 19 people have been killed because of police excesses, which is more than the number of guys who have died of coronavirus in Kenya, because we have 11 people. We've reported 11 deaths, but so far 19 people have already lost their lives because of police excesses. But that is being looked into with even the police bosses going out into the counties where they've experienced these excesses and trying to give on it out with the citizens. But it's not easy, I must say, because people have to kind of hurry up so that they can beat up the curfew time, the dusk-to-dawn curfew time, and we are seeing a response of the police in a different way. And we are hoping that things will change, that if the government decides to go another way, then there will be an uproar. But there are places where there is no that stringent measure, because especially in the slums, it's not easy to enforce those things. Yes.
It'll be interesting to find out. We have our own story here from the slums, and what slum dwellers are doing and what their problems are. It'll be interesting to find out what the situation there is in Kenya. Thank you so much, Winnie, for joining us. Winnie Kamal, she's a freelance journalist in Nairobi, joined us all the way from there with the details as well. Let's go to Nigeria, where security forces enforcing the lockdown in parts of that country have we're told, killed more people than coronavirus itself. A local rights group is making that allegation. Evidence of the killings comes from members of the public who rang their hotline or sent in videos. The National Human Rights Commission is adding that detail. It also says that law enforcers have killed 18 people in Nigeria since the lockdowns. Let's go right now to Nigeria. Kayla Megwa works with Channels, our partners, and she joins us live from Nigeria. Hello, Kayla.
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm good. I'm sure that you're doing well as well.